Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys I will be sharing with you a tutorial on how to change the watch face of your Hw22 smartwatch. Let's go! Alright guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. This is just a very quick tutorial guys, and if you know this already, so you can just skip this video. If you don't know how to change your watch face yet, so this video is for you. So all you have to do guys is you're going to download Wear Fit Pro. It will look like this, and you're going to tap on that one. So as you can see, I have already connected my Hw22, and at the bottom part there is watch face, so click on all dials. Okay, alright, and then as you can see there are many
watch faces,
but some of them are not free. So in our case, let's just check or choose with the one without payment. So I'm gonna choose this one, so just tap on download. Okay, as you can see in our watch, it's already uploading the watch face. Alright guys, so it's already downloaded, and voila, our watch face is already installed. Okay, it's just very easy guys. Okay, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video guys, kindly click thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.